Welcome to your GoWISE USA electric meat grinder. In this video, we will show you how to get started using your new appliance. Before using your grinder for the first time, be sure to wash all parts except for the body in warm, soapy water. See our cleaning section near the end for more details. Begin assembly by attaching the grinding head. Each model has a different method of locking the head into place. Be sure to refer to your user manual for further instructions. Place the snake into the grinding head long end first. Turn to feed the screw slightly. Place the cutting blade onto the snake shaft with the blade facing the front. Next, choose your desired cutting plate. Place it next to the cutting blade, fitting the protrusions into the slots. Screw the fixing ring tightly into place, but do not over-tighten. Ensure that your grinder is on a flat and stable surface. You are ready to start grinding. Cut all your ingredients into cubes or small strips. Place them on the hopper plate. Locate the controls on your device, either on the side or on the top of the unit. Press the on button or switch to the on position. Feed the food into the grinding head using the food pusher. Never use your hands to push food into the grinding head. If your grinder becomes jammed during the grinding process, press and hold the reverse button to clear it. Refer to your user manual for further instructions. After you have finished using the grinder, press the off button or switch to the off position. Unplug the unit before disassembly. Reverse the earlier steps to disassemble your unit. If needed, place a screwdriver between the cutting plate and the head to lift it away. Rinse and wash all parts in warm, soapy water. Dry and wipe all cutting parts with a vegetable oil wet cloth to prevent rusting. Do not immerse your motor housing in water. Wipe it down with a damp cloth. Your meat grinder is clean and ready for its next use. Happy cooking!